Welcome back to our second class, second period. Now let us go to the exercise. All of you look at the textbooks, exercise number 5.1. I cannot write the question because time is very limited. If I write, my time will be wasted by writing the question only, okay? Okay, now question number 5.1, exercise 5.1, question number 1. Read the question with me. Find the complement of each of the following angles. Complement of each of the following angles. One angle is given. What is 20 degree given. Now we have to write the complement angle of 20 degree. What is a complement angle? Last period I explained to you, right? Complement angle means what? When you add two angles, the sum is supposed to be complement degree 90 degree, right? So complement of 20 degrees equal complement of 20 degrees equal how much? Together 90 degree, right? So 90 minus 90 degree minus the 20 degree. How much? 70 degree. So like that, just I will give one question, okay? There are some more figures are there, so you have to do by yourself. I don't want to waste the time, okay? Next, question number, this is question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2, read the questions. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. Supplement. How many degree given? 105 degree. 105 degree. Okay. Here also only one question, only I am going to explain to you, okay? Supplement. Supplement of 105 degree equal, call back, what you learned last period, you learned what is supplementary? Two angles together how many degree? 180 degree, right? So 180 minus what angle? 105. How much? Borrow 10, 10 minus 5, 5 here, 7 is here, 7, 0 forgot about. So how much? How much? 75 degree. So this is supplement angle. Okay, the remaining questions you have to manage by yourself. Now let us go to question number 3. Question number 3 tells, I will clean, okay? Okay. Question number 3. Read the question. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Question number 3, 1, 65 and how much? 115. So these two angles, whether it is complementary angle or supplementary angle, that's the question, okay? Identify which of the following pairs are complementary and which are supplementary. Okay? Now complementary means what? We do not know whether it is complementary or supplementary, but we know what is complementary and what is supplementary, right? Okay, better you add together plus 65. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 remainder, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 180 degree. 180 degree, can you tell me the answer now? What are these two angles called? Which one? Supplementary angles. Pair of supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Okay. Now we'll do one more questions. After that, you have to do by yourself. Okay. Now question number 2. What is the question number 2 tells? 63 degree and 27 degree. Okay, let us see. When you add together, let's see how many degree going to come. 63 degree and 27 degree. 10, 1 remainder, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 90. 90 degree. 90 degree coming. When you add some, how much? 90. So, what angles, what angle they are? What angle? Which one? Complementary angle, right? Pair of complementary angles. Okay, children. So, that's enough. Now, go to question number 4. Question number 4 tells, find the angles which is equal to its complement. Equal to its complement, meaning complement, there are two angles, right? These two are complement angles, but they are not equal to each other. Am I right? 63 and 27. They are a pair of complement, but they are not equal. We want equal. Can you tell me? Yes? Yes, what angles? 45 degree, right? When you add 45 and 45, you will get how many degree? 90 degree. So, both angles are equal. Yes or no? At the same time, they are complementary. Next is what? Supplementary. Same, very easy. Question number 5. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Two angles together and it should be equal. Can you tell me? Yes? Yes, what? How many degree? 90 degree. Both angles are equal to 90 degree. That is okay. Now, like that it goes. Next is you can go to question number 7. Question number 7. Read a question with me. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are which one? Acute. Both angles are acute. Can you call these two angles are called supplementary angles? That's the question, right? Two angles are called, can you call two angles, those are acute, can be called which one? Supplementary. Say yes or no? Acute means what? Less than how many degree? 60 degree. Less than how many degree? 90 degree. Both angles are less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means, for example, maximum you will go which one? 89 degree will go. Another one also 89 degree. 18 and 18 you add, 9 plus 9, 18. 1 remainder, 1 plus 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, how much? 178 degree. Can you call? No, right? So, two acute angles cannot be a pair of which one? Supplementary angles. Two acute angles cannot be a pair of supplementary angles. Understood? But two acute angles can be a complementary angle, because complement is complementary 90 degree, right? That can be, but it cannot be which one? Supplementary. Next is which one? Point number 2, question number 2, obtuse. Is it possible two obtuse angle become a supplementary? Obtuse angle means what? More than 90 degree. Suppose one angle is, let's say, 100 degree. One obtuse angle is how many degree? 100 degree. Another obtuse angle, or we can write one obtuse, okay? Another obtuse angle, let's say 110 degree. When you add together, how many degree you are going to get? 210 degree. 210 degree cannot be a supplementary, right? Supplementary should be what? 180 degree. So, your answer is here also no. Here also which one? No. It's not possible. Is it possible to right angle? Right angle. If you add two right angles, it is possible to get a supplementary. Yes, one right angle is how much? 90 degree. Another right angle how many degree? That also how many degree? 90 degree. If you add together how many degree? Then your answer should be yes. So when you two right angles when you add, yes, pair of right angles can be supplementary, 100% sure. But pair of obtuse angle cannot be, and pair of acute angle also cannot be supplementary. Okay, okay, that is okay. Next, some more questions are there. I think you will manage by yourself now. Okay, now go to question number 10. Question number 10 tells, read the question with me. Okay, first I will draw the figure. The figure is here. The figure I have to draw. Look at the textbooks. Indicate which pair of angles are vertically opposite angle and linear pairs of angles. Question number 10. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. This is a figure. In this figure, you have to, I already taught you what is vertically opposite angles. We already learned the first period, right? Now tell me, what are the angles are called vertically opposite angles? Yes, look at the figure. Is it angle 1 and 5 is vertically opposite? No, right? Then angle 1 and, yes, angle 1 and 4. Angle 1 and angle 4. Angle 1 and angle 4 are called, this symbol is called angle, okay? You need not write every time ANGLE angle. This meaning of this symbol is called what? Angle. Okay? Angle 1 and 4 are which one? Vertically opposite angles. Next, angle 5 and what angle? 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. 5, these two together, what angle? Vertically opposite angle. So you have to do it. Let us go to question number 12 now. Question number 12. Again, figure is here. Let me draw. Okay. Question number 12. Read the question with me. Find the value of angles x, y, z and z in each of the following. Question number 12 has two questions. I am going to do only one question. Okay. The second question you will manage by yourself. Okay. We are going to find out x, y, z. How to find out? Now, x and 55, can you tell the relations? Angle x equal to 55 degree. Yes or no? Yes, yes, y? Y? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Angles, this is angle, okay? Plural, one, yes, angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now, 55 degree plus y. 55 degree plus y. Bring, call back. Go back to the first period and bring. 55 and y, what is the relations? What is the relations? Linear pairs, right? Yes or no? Yes. Linear pair is always 180 degree. Linear pair of angles should be how many degree? 180 degree. So 55 plus y is equal to how many degree? 180 degree. Y linear pair. So y equal to how much? Angle y. Y is equal to how much? 180 degree. Take the 55 other side. Cannot go borrow 10. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. Yes, 5. How much here? 7, right? 1 already given. 7. 7 minus 5. 2. How much? 125 degree. So angle y is equal to how many degree? 125. Next, what is the relation between angle y and angle z? Keep in mind, vertically opposite angles are always equal. Don't forget, vertically opposite angles are always equal. That is why x and 55 is x equal to 55 because they are vertically opposite and they are equal. Okay. Now x, y and z. Y equal to z. Y equal to z. Y vertically opposite angles. So z equal to how many degree? Y is 125, then z also how much? 125 degree. Okay, children. Next, we are this exercise and some more questions are there, filling the blanks, all those things that you have to manage by yourself. Next teaching point should be. Yes. Okay. Children, today we have learned, for this period we have learned, what are the angles we have learned? Questions. Suppose an angle is given, you are asked to find out whether what is a supplement of that angles, complement of that angles we have learned, as well as we have learned a pair of angles are given, how to find out whether the pair is supplementary pair of angle or complementary pair of angles or pair of supplementary or pair of complementary, that also we will learn, as well as what we will learn, John, acute angles, two acute angles, whether it is possible to become a supplementary or not, complementary or not, all those things we have learned, and the figures given, John, vertical opposite angles, and one measurement is given, we are able to find out other measurement, all those things we have learned. Okay, children, with this we will finish this period. We will back within few minutes for next class. Okay, see you.